Hello, good afternoon. My name is Maria Carolina Rodriguez Rojas. I developed that 7 recording. The point 1 is reading. When you were born, you were not able to communicate with the adults around you by using language. But by the time you were 5 or 6, you were able to produce sentences, make jokes, ask questions, and so on. In short, you had become fluent native speakers during those first few years of your life. You accumulate our great knowledge about at least one language, probably with very little conscious effort. If you study a foreign language later on, it's likely that you discover that it was not nearly as the second point is minimal pairs: sit, set, desk, disk, with, wait, bat, back, saw, not, bad, bed, fast, fierce, desk, disc, very, buy, pie, thin, think, alive, arrive, catch, cat, see, she, fun, ban, fat, hat, free, three, sink, think, with, wish, page, pie, bat, batch, come, game, to, do, back, an, hat. Number 3, intonation. A statement with one stress. I know, will loud, it stop. A statement with 2 stresses. Anna works. Time flies. Lena is my daughter. Statements with 3 stresses. Peter doesn't live here. Lena wasn't invited. Bats are not birds. Statements with 4 stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teachers told her study a story. Statements with the 5 stresses. Maria wants to buy a new car. My friends play tennis every Saturday. I think the first question is very easy. A special question, falling intonation. What is his name? Where does he live? Where did you call him? Friendly, interesting, polite, rising intonation. Where have you been? What are you reading? Where is your birthday? General question, rising intonation. Do you visit them often? Have you seen my case? Are you ready to start? Rescued rising intonation. Could you give me a pen, please? Could you open the window, please? Would you mean help me? Alternate question, rising and falling intonation. Do you want coffee or tea? Does he speak English or German? Would you like coffee or tea? That question, falling or rising intonation. It's a beautiful town, is it? She knows him, doesn't she? Nice weather, isn't it? Common falling intonation. Stop. Sit down. Close your books. Tell me the truth. Rescues rising intonation. Come in, please. Come here, please. Sit down, please. Exclamatory sentence falling intonation. What a wonderful present. How beautiful her voice. That's a lie. Direct address rising intonation. Peter, can you help me? Mr. Smith, this is Mary Brown. Ella, can you help me? Enumerating rising intonation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She bought bread, cheese, orange. I saw Tom, Mary, Anna, and Victor. Responses. Certainly, of course, you are welcome. Thank you. Bye-bye.